Hey, how you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Garage Door. We got a busted cable here. Cable's off. You can see the door's crooked in the opening, halfway up on the right side, a little bit left on the left side. And there's the cable right there. He's off. Roller's off. Jammed up here. And you can see the track is compromised there. It's bent out. And this cable here looks like it's kind of off too, so this might be a whole redo here. New cables, some lubrication. We got the world famous oil can there. If you're a garage door guy, don't take one of these out of his truck, send them onward. And this is probably the best spray that I've seen and used. It's this Horman stuff. It's awesome. We sell it at the showroom. But gotta have an oil can if you're a garage door guy. So there it is. Might do a part 2 here. It's freezing cold in it. It's like 5 degrees out. So for all your garage door needs, broken cables, cables off, broken springs, etc., give us a call, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. 650 Ogden is the headquarters. Like us on Facebook and Google. We'll like you. We'll like you anyways. Thank you for watching our program, our video here. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.